First, go to the I/O patching screen. The screen is split into two sections: sources on the left and destinations on the right. To connect an input to a channel, the source is an input port on a Hydra I/O box and the destination is a channel input. On the source side, tap the I/O boxes icon, followed by the I/O box that contains the desired port. The screen now shows all of the ports available within that I/O box. On the destination side, tap Desk Inputs, followed by Channel Inputs 1 from the pop-up menu. The right-hand side now shows all of the channels available on the surface layer. Tap to select a source and select a destination either by tapping the channel on the touch display or by pressing the Access button on the control surface. With both the source and destination selected, tap the Connect button to connect input port to the channel. To move a patch to a different location, highlight the input on the destination side. Tap Move, tap the new destination, and then tap Move to confirm. To disconnect a patch, select the patch on either the source or destination side and tap Remove.